Good morning all of you. Welcome to STAPS student. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Today I will teach you how to make different type of artwork. Let's start to work. Today I will teach you bird drawing. Okay, so you will be require material. This is a white paper. Okay, and this is a black marker pen. And I will use the paint colors like this. This is a paint colors. And this is the water. Okay, so let us start to work. I will draw a tree. So I will use a marker pen. Pencil, it is light. This is not show, and I will use a black marker pen. So first I will draw three branches like this. This is the three branches. And this is the three branches like this. This is the tree branch. Like this. And now I will make a bird. So I will use a pencil. Because branches is you will try a freehand work, and finally you will draw a bird. So use a pencil. Okay, and I will make a bird. This. Like this. This is a bird. Okay, and now I will use a marker pen. Like this. And now I will make this is a tree branch like this, and this drawing is complete like this. This is a tree branch and this is a bird. Okay, so now I will fill a color. First I will use a blue color in a sky color. So this is a blue color, and I will use a blue color. Okay, like this. This is a sky. I will use the water this side. Okay, like this. And this is a border and paint color. Okay, and now I will fill up paint color and water. this, and I will use a flat brush like this, and I will use some yellow color. Like this, and this is a red paint color, and I will use a red paint color and green color, and this is a green color. Okay, and now first I will make a tree leaves and make a branches leaf. So first I will use a green color. I will use a flat brush and two flat brush. This is a 1 number brush, flat brush, and this is a 2 number brush, flat brush, like this. Okay, so first I will use a yellow color in this tree leaves and tree branch leaf, and I will use a green color like this, and I will hide this black line. So I will use a dark green color. Okay, like this. And now again I will use a yellow color in this branch. I will use a dark yellow color like this. This is a method of color. Okay, and I will use a dark yellow color. Like this, and this is a dark yellow color like this. Okay, and now I will use a green color. So I will use only paint color, not water. Okay, and this is a only paint color. I don't use a water, like this. And I will make a tree branch. So I will use a black color like this, like this, like this. Okay, this is a tree branch. Like this. Okay, and now I will fill a green color like this. This is a green color. And I will make a branch like this. Okay, and I will use a green color. This is a dark green color. Like this. This is a dark green color. Okay, like this. And I will fill a brown color. So I will make a brown color. So how to make a brown color? So I will make a brown color. I will wash my brush and I will use a red color. This is a red color. Okay, I will use a red color, and I will use some black color like this. Like this. This is a brown color, and this is a brown color. Okay, like this. And I will fill a brown color in this branch. tree branch. Like this. I will fill up brown color. Like this, and this branch color is complete. And now I will fill up bud color. So I will use a yellow and red color and blue color. Okay, first I will fill a yellow color, and red color, like this, and I will use some yellow color, and I will use a blue color on this bird. Like this. This is a bird. Like this. Like this. And this is a red color. Like this. I will make up some white. This is a bird feather. Okay, like this. And this is a bird feather. Like this. I will use a white color. Okay, and now I will make up bird eyes. So I will use a white color. On this side I will use a white color. This is a white color. Like this. This is a bird eyes, and I will use a black color in this black dot. This is a bird eyes, like this. Like this. And this bird drawing is complete. It is a so easy and so simple work, and this is an interesting bird drawing work, like this. And this is a complete, like this. Complete this one. Okay, children, like this. Okay, children, bye bye.